Today we're going to see some advice to help you reduce your food waste impact in your household. Actually, there are 3 important moments where food waste is involved: while you're at the grocery shop, during the cooking process, and keeping your food in your household. We will try to help you avoid throwing away your food during these next 3 steps. So, our first step is at the grocery store. For example, if you go shopping whilst you're hungry, you'll be tempted to buy food that you don't need or overconsume. So, have a good lunch, prepare your list of ingredients in advance and plan what dishes that you're going to eat for the week. The more that you're effective, the more that you're going to gain both time and energy. You also have to be effective in your kitchen and whilst you're cooking. Your cooking influences the way that you eat, consume and buy a food's products. To begin, you have to adopt a minimalist way to cook. You have to use simple and seasonal products, simple healthy recipes. The leftovers can also be very useful. It might seem a bit repetitive to eat leftovers, but there are plenty of ways that you can eat the same dish for 2 or 3 days. For example, you can add different ingredients or change the composition of your main meal. Get as creative as you can. Also, eating with your family is a great way for you to enjoy your meal, with moments of communication and exchange. Keeping is probably the most important step. For example, having a big fridge at home is useless if you live by yourself or with another person, as it's not going to conserve your food any longer. So ensure that you have a fridge size that's adapted to your needs. It's also great if you have a cabinet or a storeroom where you can store your dry food. Arrange your products in a very efficient way by having the expiration date that's closest to running out. It's also great if you can use an airtight bag or a freezer bag to conserve your food. You can write on the package the quantity remaining, the recipes that you can make, and when the first time you opened the food was. It's going to help you a lot when you want to cook the products again. In conclusion, we provided you with some great tips on how to reduce food waste in your household. Moreover, using these tips will help reduce your scale of environmental impact due to the overproduction and the overconsumption of food. Ultimately, it's all about how to be more efficient and smart in the way that you manage your shopping, cooking and keeping.